Hi, this is Manaois and this is my Sprout Up journey. Back then, I was only thinking of becoming a public lawyer, hence I saw economics as a good pre-law program for me. However, when I entered my current program, which is BS Agricultural and Applied Economics, it widens my perspective on the current issues and situations of our farmers. Considering that my family's source of income is inclined with agriculture, it further heightened my passion to be a public lawyer and fight for the rights of our farmers. Along the process of taking up my agriculture subjects and major courses, it opens my mind to reality and inspires me to appreciate the beauty and benefits of our agricultural sector. Many may not realize it, but without agri, all people in the world will be hungry. And without our farmers, food on our table may not be stable, economy will not prosper, and poverty will grow larger. Agriculture may not be my first choice, but it will always be my final and only destination. I believe that agriculture is the key to our successful future. Empowering farmers through education, access to market, and financial support will foster a thriving agricultural sector that contributes significantly to the nation's economy and well-being. Embracing modern technologies and innovative farming methods will enhance productivity and resiliency, and we should focus on sustainable practices and ensuring food security while protecting our environment. The future of agriculture is in our hands. Together, let us sprout up. This is Manaois para sa Bayan, Agham at Agrikultura.